Hey, it's me, Duncan, and welcome back to the third episode of our JDA music tutorial. Today we're gonna work on our play command. So first off, we're gonna set the help to place a song, and our usage is gonna be. It's always good to type the usage before you're actually gonna start working on the command, so you know what your command is gonna do. So the command is constants.prefix plus get invoke and song URL. There you go, that's the usage of the command. So first off, we're gonna get a text channel. So text channel is equal to event.getChannel. For next up, we're gonna check if our args are empty, and if our args are empty, we're gonna return and say channel.sendMessage, and don't forget to queue that. I'm gonna say please provide some arguments. Cool. Next up, we need the method to check if we actually provided a URL. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down and say private boolean is URL string input. This is a very easy way. Just try a new URL input return true and catch is a malformed URL exception, which is ignored. You don't need to handle that. It's gonna say return false. That's how we make an isURL method. So what we're gonna do next is join our arguments into one string and make sure that we don't drop the case on it, because if we set our args to too lowercase, YouTube links they won't work anymore because they are case sensitive. So next up, we're gonna check if it's not a URL. So if the input is not a URL and the input starts with YT search : and YT search is a Lava Player thing that searches YouTube. But I need to give you a small warning if you're gonna use this, because YouTube will block you if you make a lot of requests with YT search. So be warned if you're gonna use YT search. That's why a lot of big bots actually use the YouTube API for that. So your homework after this tutorial is to modify the play command so that we'll search YouTube via the YouTube API and not use YT search. So that's why we're gonna say please provide the YouTube, SoundCloud, or Bandcamp link. We also support Twitch, etc. That's default. And after this, we can just remove the set volume, and this track URL is gonna be input. And that was it. So now this is done, we're gonna start our bot, and I'll see you guys in Discord. Meanwhile, we're just helping someone out with their code. Okay, we're in Discord, and let's join voice. Let's use J join to make the bot join. If you use J exclamation mark play says please provide some arguments. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to YouTube and let's see what Connor has all listened to. Scroll a bit down. Let's see. Yes. Let's do this video, High Hopes by Mike Tompkins. So if you use J exclamation mark play with a YouTube link, it's gonna load it. That's loud. That's really loud. Oh god. There we go. Next time, I'll be back with a little bit longer tutorial and with a stop command. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and Connor, did you finish? See you guys in the next video. Bye!
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature. Hard wrote the song, but I am the messenger. Through the metropolis, there is no stopping this. Flowers and kisses, yeah. I heard you like chocolate. Light up the candle.